Hello guys, ninjani emakhaya. It's been a while. I know ngiyangena ngiyaphuma ngiyangena, but anyway, that's the life that we live. Siphila impilo yokungena nokuphuma. But anyway, I'm back on channel yethu Indoni Yamanzi, also known as African Fairy. Okay. Mbuyile guys, but this is just video le I see yokuthi sizokhuluma something like serious. For now ngifuna just to break the ice, just to say that I'm back. Look forward for more content that I'll be bringing up. Ningangibona ngicashile nikwazi ukuthi ngisesifundweni, ngisendleleni, ngisathola izinto ezinsha ukuba ngikhona ukuthi ngize ngizoxoxa nani ngempilo yethu lesiyiphilayo. Ngithi niyazi lonke ukuba masisempilweni sihlangana nezinto eziningi nje, and nawe uyafisa ukuthi kube nomuntu ozokubonisa ngala oxakeke khona, ngale ndima okuyo ohamba kiyo ma usuxakekile. Maybe ungathi uthi ungena kuNdoni Yamanzi uthole sikhuluma ngaleso sihloko sendaba esikudidayo esikuxakayo, ngoba mina ngithanda ukukhuluma ngezinto ezixakayo empilweni, angithi? Yeah, so ngibuyile guys. I think I'm trying to take it slow ukuthi ngikhona nami ukuthi ngidigeste i-presence. By the way guys, niyazi ukuthi ngine fear of ukuba phambi kwabantu, and the only way yokuthi ngiyilwe nayo le fear le ukuthi ngime phambi kwabantu. Isn't life so interesting? Life is interesting like that. Whatever you fear, the way to conquer, as asihlukane nesingisi, indlela yokunqoba into ekuxakayo empilweni ukuthi unqikilane nayo. That's the only way. Otherwise vele akulenye indlela onganqoba ngakhona. And by the way, ngizojule lokho ngithi by the way, ngithi isingisi guys. Yeah, by the way. Okay. So it's been a long journey. Angifuna ukuthi ngitatazele ngamagama and miss the whole point of ukuthi why ngilana, because ngiyazi ukuthi le channel le i-channel yokuphilisana, Indoni Yamanzi is the river of life. So ofuna ukuphiliswa, ofuna ukuphila, utholakala kule channel. So angifuna ukuthi ngigijime and then sike ningasazi nokuthi ngiphumaphi ngisiyaphi, being all over the place ne. So bengisathi it's been a long journey, and I don't take your presence ukuba wena lana kule channel for granted. I really appreciate all of you who watch my channel. I really appreciate you from the bottom of my heart, and my subscribers elingilandelayo, even if I'm inconsistent, ngiyabonga. I don't take your presence for granted. And at this moment asiyamkeleni inhliziyo ezithobekileyo, inhliziyo ezilothando, inhliziyo ezihola ukukhanya kule channel. Asifuni izinto ezidunga ukuthula kule channel, and le channel ayisiye yawo wonke umuntu. Izinto engizikhuluma lana zingabe zingahambisani nomoya wakho, zingabe zingahambisani nendlela wena okuyo, or le topic engizobe ngikhuluma ngayo namhlanje ingabe ingahambisani nawe izinto engikhuluma ngazo. So wena be your own leader of discernment, uzihlole wena ngaphakathi uzwe ukuthi lento ekhulunywa lana ihambisana nami noma cha. Okunye futhi into engiyikhulumayo ingabe ingahambisani nawe for lesi sikhathi manje, kodwa ungathola ukuthi uhamba empilweni, uhamba amabanga, udlula nje empilweni in future, ungathola ukuthi uzokhumbula lokho ebekukhulunywa namhlanje ukuze it can resonate in future ne. Isinto sinzima yazi guys, kodwa yesh sizobe sihlanganisa. So I'm not gonna make this video long. It's not even gonna be longer than 10 minutes. I just came here ukuthi ngizothi ngisakhona, ngiphilile, ngikahle, and expect more content. Deep stuff. I'm a Pisces. I'm a deep girl. Sihlale emanzini, we are the fishes. Sazi izinto ezi ne. Yes, I'm back. Ngikuthi ngiyahlanya, angikachange, ngisahlanya namanje. So bengifuna ukuthi nginithi kancane just to give you a tip on whatever you might be going through in life ne. I was thinking the other day ukuthi there's nothing in this world emhlabeni lana which is against you, that is against me. Ayikho into engihlaseleyo lana emhlabeni. Yonke into engibhekane nayo, no matter ukuthi inzima kanjani, lento le ikhona empilweni yami ukuthi izongisiza kuba ngibe ngumuntu ongcono empilweni. Kuzoba nzima ukuthi ngilwa kanjani naleyo nto le ngifesane nayo, ukuthi ngize ngiyeqe lo mgoqo lo engibona ngathi ungivalele, kodwa lo mgoqo lo awuchaza ukuba mina ngivalelekile empilweni. Umgoqo is to test my strength. So whatever you might be going through manje empilweni, ukuthi uhamba ebunzimeni obungakanani, because ngiyazi ukuthi izikhathi esiphila kizo izikhathi ezinzima, and ungabe ubona ngathi ulahlekelwe, ngathi the world has turned against you, but ngifuna ukukutshela manje ukuthi ngikukhuthaze ukuthi awulahlekelwanga, and the world is not against you. The world is actually for you. It's on your side. All you need to do is to open up your eyes, your spiritual eyes, ne? You open up your natural eyes, you open up your spiritual eyes, and you see how do you tackle this problem. Because yonke into esihlangana nayo emhlabeni ne, it's just a challenge that needs to be solved. Ngaze kube yini ne, whatever it is, and that's why le channel ikhona lana, so that we can be healed, so that isiphiliswe kuwo wonke ama challenges esihamba kuwo empilweni, angithi. But ngifuna ukuthi uwazi ukuthi noma uhamba esigodini sothunzi lokufa, ungasabi lutho, ngoba la yona lo sithunzi esigodi sokuthunzi lokufa ohamba kilo lifuna ukuthi uqine, uthole ukuphila phakathi kokufa. Because mawuhamba emnyameni, learn to befriend the darkness. Uthandane lobunyama, make love to the darkness, and then uzobona ukuthi ubunyama ndawo buyakuthanda, and you won't be afraid because uthanda ubunyama. And I'm not saying this in ukuthi go and do dodgy things because you're falling in love with darkness. That's not what I'm saying. I'm saying fall in love with your shadows. Don't be afraid. Ukuthi you get angry, it's not something that should frighten you. Deal with the anger, ne? It's okay to get angry. Don't hide from it. Ukuthi unomona or you have jealousy, don't run away from it, because when you run away from it, you are running away from the problem. So whatever challenge you are facing, it could be pointing you out ukuthi ungumuntu olomona, ungumuntu okwatayo, ungumuntu ofebayo. It's the truth. Whatever challenge that you might be facing, it's just trying to show you ukuthi lungisa kuphi, and that darkness, you have to befriend it and just say ukuthi yazini ending is fair yazi, and then how do I fix it? Ending the anger yazi, ending yakwata, how do I fix it? Ending no mona yazi. Be truthful with yourself. Ungaziqambela amanga. That's where the beginning of healing starts. Ne, ngithe video le is not gonna be more than 10 minutes. So again, I'm back, your African fairy, on our channel Indoni Yamanzi, ane, a channel where anything can happen. Nginithanda, nibe kahle, nizigcine kahle.